In this video, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, you're going to want to download something called BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is like an emulator, and what it does, it allows you to play and use different Android games and apps on your PC. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to bluestacks.com, which is the official website. From here, you're going to see the blue download button just here. So go ahead and click onto that to download BlueStacks onto your PC. Once that's done, click onto this to run the installation setup wizard. So once you've gone ahead, downloaded and installed BlueStacks, you're going to get a window like this. All you want to do is press the blue launch button. And here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, BlueStacks is now launching through. It just takes a minute or two to load through. So here we are, as you can see on BlueStacks, this is what it looks like. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the search box in the top left hand corner, and in here you can go ahead and search for Adobe Lightroom, and then go ahead and press enter. So on the search results, you can see Adobe Lightroom is shown just here. So you want to go ahead and click onto this to be taken to the app page. Then you're going to see the install button. So all you want to do is click onto install from Google Play. And then what's going to happen, it's going to load through and start installing Adobe Lightroom on your PC. So it just takes a minute or two to do this. And as you can see, it's redirected us to this app page. You can see it's currently pending and it's going to start downloading on our PC. So it just takes a minute or two to do this, of course, dependent on your internet connection. And once that's finished installing, you're going to see the green open button. So all you want to do is click onto this, and it's going to go ahead and open up Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So now what we can do is just skip through these beginning steps, and then you can go ahead, sign into your account and start using Adobe Lightroom on your PC. So that is how to download and install Adobe Lightroom on PC. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.